How to mute a chat on IMO. Are you getting a little bit overwhelmed with the notification from a specific chat on the IMO? Don't worry, muting it is super simple and I will walk you through it right now. First things first, let's open the IMO right now. It's right over here. Just tap on it and go inside it. Once you're in, navigate to the chat that you want to mute. It could be one-to-one conversation or even a group chat that's a little bit too active for your current mood. Once you find it, simply tap on it. Like I want to mute the conversation of this one right over here. Let's tap on it. And there you will see 4 options right over there. Pin to the top, mute, hide, and delete chat history. What we need right now is mute. Simply tap on it and the conversation has been muted. You have to do same thing with the group chat too, and this is super easy. Once you have muted the chat, you will see a notification icon and crosses above it that will show it have muted the chat for you. That's it. You have successfully muted the chat. No more constant pings that is disrupting your peace. You can always unmute it later if you change your mind using the same step. Wasn't that quick? Let me know if you found this helpful in the comments below, or if you have any other IMO tips you would like to say. So that's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amusing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.